Hey there, lovely bakers! Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making some delicious chocolate cupcakes with luscious chocolate filling inside. This is a perfect treat for all the chocolate lovers out there. This recipe is super easy and guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth. So let's get started. So let's start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And to a mixing bowl, add an egg which is in room temperature along with 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now mix this while adding half a cup of white granulated sugar in 2 separate batches until the mixture turns light and fluffy. This is the consistency we're looking for. And now to this mixture, let's add 1/4 cup of any unflavored oil and mix it until the oil gets mixed. And now to this, I'm adding 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And mix it gently just until everything is combined, while gradually adding half cup of milk until everything is combined. Be careful not to overmix as it can lead to dense cupcakes. Take a cupcake pan lined with cupcake liners. Fill each liner with the chocolate cupcake batter we just made. Let's pop the cupcake pan into the preheated oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Look at how delicious these turned out. Now let's make our chocolate filling. Here I am using 1 cup of dark chocolate compound and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Microwave it until everything is well combined. Here I am using this tool. This is usually used for juicing, I guess, but this is also working pretty good as a corer. If you have a cupcake corer, then you can use that, or you can also use a nozzle like this and make holes at the center of the cupcakes to fill out delicious chocolate filling. Now I have transferred my chocolate filling into a piping bag, and using a piping bag or using a spoon, fill the cupcakes with the filling. And now with the cake tins we have removed earlier, use them to close the top of the cupcakes. Let me show you how moist and creamy it is inside. Now I'm frosting the cupcakes with some chocolate whipping cream. To make this, I have just added around 2 to 3 tablespoons of chocolate ganache we made earlier to 1 cup of whipping cream and whipped it until stiff peaks formed. and top it with some chocolate sprinkles to add that extra crunch. And there you have it, a delicious intense chocolate cupcakes with a surprise of chocolate filling inside. Do try this out and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share it with your chocolate lover friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive more delicious recipes like this. Until next time!